One thing that the pandemic has taught the employers is that we need to give our employees a little bit more flexibility. The companies actually learned that some of them did have to because the governments in the different countries enforced it. But now we see a lot how many companies are enforcing for the employees to come back into the office. And you could think that many people say, well, they used to work like that before, right? They would be super happy if they could work in a hybrid way and go to the office only 2 times per week. Why are they suddenly so ungrateful when it used to be their norm? And even though that is very true, the truth also that times are changing. It's a part of evolution. And I think it's actually untrue to say that everybody right now wants to be working remotely. I highly disagree with that. I see it on the interviews that many candidates would actually tell me, oh my God, I had to be closed at home for such a long time because my company went fully remote. I don't want that. I want to see my colleagues sometimes. But it's just, the fact is just this topic is not black and white. There's a lot of people who want to work solely remotely, people who want to go to the office every day, and people who want to work remotely. The thing is that we need to understand that, and every company is created a little bit differently, same way as they should be attracting different type of people. However, if you are right now in a situation where you have changed your life and your lifestyle according to be able to work remotely, and now your company is forcing you to come back to the office and you don't see that as a benefit, maybe it completely disturbs your lifestyle, maybe it is a time to be searching for something different, something where if that has become your value, maybe the company, the new employer is sharing that same value as well and sees it as something that is important for them. Okay, let's say that you are right now looking for a remote job. How do you find one? There's many different platforms where you can find one, and often they are connected to your location. I saw that there's such a huge amount of roles that are really connected to the people who live in the US or are in the time zone. So that's not gonna be for the whole world. But one platform that I would like to introduce you right now that really caught my attention, just in case you don't know it, it's this one, ota.com. So look into that. I absolutely love it. I haven't tested it for myself. I'm gonna do some more research on that, and if you want I can talk about it in the future. But basically at the beginning you take quite a thorough test, like a quiz, and then the platform connects you with the startups and the job that could fit you and also fit your values. So I think especially for us millennials this could be